This is my first reaction video by Darren Espanto, Babayan. You will sing Chandelier by Sia. Pronounce it right. Right? And then, okay, let's go.
Again, without further ado, Darren Espanto on the Wish 1075 Bus. On our anniversary, you're on Wish 1075.
Yeah.
Don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, I push it down.
Wish 1075.
I'm the one for a good time, call phones blowing up, ringing my doorbell. I feel the love, I feel the love. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Kababayan.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. Going back till I lose time.
Whoa!
From the chandelier, from the chandelier.
He nailed it. He nailed it.
Like tomorrow doesn't exist, like it doesn't exist.
Whoa! There's a taxi. What a voice! What a voice! He's not struggling when he's singing that song. It's just chicken feed. Grabe. Approve to you, bro. Oh, nice. Amazing. See? Grabe. Oh! Amazing kid. Ow! How old is he? Wish 107.5. How old is he? There's a Wish headphones. Huh? Nice. Amazing. He just nailed that song. He's not struggling singing that song. Amazing. This guy is an artist. Hands off. Amazing, amazing kid.
Making it look.
So, that's my first reaction video from Darren Espanto, my kababayan, singing the, what's the name of the song? Chandelier by Sia. Okay?